For this tutorial, we'll cover how to add some common genealogy pages to your bookmarks bar so they're easier to find and use. The bookmarks bar is a toolbar in your Chrome web browser that has quick links to common websites. I have organized mine with a genealogy folder holding my sites. To use it, click on the genealogy folder and then select the link I want to go to. So let's see how to create this now. Okay, I've opened my Chrome web browser and opened some sites I use in different tabs. This one is for Ancestry.com sign-in. I use the Poznan project for searching Polish records for my wife's German Lutheran ancestors. For ancestors from Ireland, this page is very useful. And finally, I'm going to create a new tab and open Family Search website here. Okay, we're ready to create the bookmarks now. The icons in the upper right help us navigate the bookmarks. The star is a quick link for adding a site to your bookmarks. The circle with the D is personal for me, and it opens a menu for logging into my Google accounts, etc. Below that is the other bookmarks menu, which can be used to find your bookmarks. And the three dots in the right open a menu. Now, if you don't see the bookmarks bar, it could be because this is not checked. So we're going to start by adding the Family Search website to the bookmarks. So we make sure we're open to the Family Search web page, and then we click on the star. I can rename the bookmark if I want to, but I'm going to leave it like it is. And I want it in the bookmarks bar folder, so I leave that and I click on Done. And now you see it's added Family Search site to the bookmarks on the left. Well, this can get kind of messy if we have a lot of sites that we want to save. So let's see how to group them together. What we want to do is create a new folder inside the bookmarks bar, much like this folder right here. There are several ways to do this. One way is to take the current site and add it as a bookmark. We select the Poznan project, click on the star, and select the bookmarks bar. Choose another folder and click on New Folder. Select Bookmarks bar here and click on New Folder. And I'm going to type in the name of the folder. And then I would click on Save. Now, if you want to edit this, because maybe you misspelled it, you can right-click on it, select Edit, and fix it. Click on Save, and now we have the Poznan project under the genealogy bookmarks. We repeat that for Irish, and now I just have to select the genealogy folder, select Done, and I'm done. And finally Ancestry, and click on Done. Now when I click on genealogy, I see the Poznan project, Irish, genealogy, and Ancestry sign in. But what's missing is the family history site. So let's see how to add that to the genealogy folder. To do this, we use the bookmark manager. We select the three dots for the menu, select bookmarks, and go to bookmarks manager. Click on the bookmarks bar folder, and you see we have family history, free family history and genealogy records. All we have to do is click on that and drag it down to genealogy, and now it shows up. As you get more familiar with bookmarks, there are faster ways to access the bookmarks. You can right-click on genealogy and select the option. You can open all four in a new window, all four incognito, or you can add a page or add another folder if you want to do that. All that can be done through this menu.